Hey guys, welcome to class 3 of Songwriting for Singers. I'm excited to be here because this is a step in the process that really helped me start picking up the speed of my songwriting, which is important because somebody might be like, hey, I need a song for this TV place or this TV show placement in 3 days, and you got to be able to produce. So this is a good trick not even a trick. This is a tool to teach you or to give you research skills on how they can help you write a song. So if you notice, I have my track playing in the background, but today is really more. I'm on my computer, and I am digging deep for the meat. That's what tonight's class is called. Dig deep for the meat. So you've brainstormed all these ideas, but now you really want to start thinking about how to make your song, your loose ideas, how to start making them more cohesive. And what this is tonight is you're going onto Google and you're finding quotes, you're finding sayings, you're finding memes, you're finding metaphors, wordplay, ideas that help inspire your writing. So this is exploratory brainstorming, where you are basically looking for word gems, any kind of pieces of information that or sayings that are really going to help you add to your song. So for example, if I go to Google and I'm thinking about the fact that I said all of these things about not enough time, I might want to Google the word time and just look up in Google sayings about time, and Google's gonna give me a million things, right? So time is money. Time waits for no one. Time waits for no one. We've heard it, but write it down. Add it to your trove. Add it to your brainstorming. So you had yesterday's work, but today now you're gonna look for a ton of things. Time is the most valuable thing a man can spend. Time is the wisest counselor of all, right? So you're digging for the meat. You're looking for the deeper part of everything that you're trying to say in your song. So maybe I might also do sayings about confusion. There's 594 quotes. That's all help, right? So all you have to do is say something somebody understands, and they'll do practically anything you want them to do. I don't need all that. I like though anything you want. I like that, so I'm writing it down. I don't need that whole quote, but it's helping give me ideas. Don't be afraid to be confused. I'm not afraid to be confused. I'm gonna write that down. Running back and forth forever between grief and high delight. That one, I don't know. But you got a plethora of ideas on Google. So I might put in here metaphors about time, right? So let's see what that says. Metaphors. Uh-oh. Let's turn this off. All right. So metaphors about time. 20 poetic metaphors about time. I love it. Right? So let's see. In More Than Cool Ruse and a Field Guide to Poetic Metaphor, blah, 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 blah. But that's where I am. There's no escaping it. Time is a trap. Time is a trap. I love that. Ballad of Lost. Okay, but but that's where I am. There's no escaping. Time is a trap. Time is the reef upon which all frail mystic ships are wrecked. It's a little bit heavy. Time is a storm in which we are all lost. I like that. So write it down, and this is where you really want to use ideas that are already out there. This pushes your creativity along and will allow you, when we get to day 4, to kind of like tweak and reword and add those ideas to your ideas. You can use stories, you can use poems, you can use Google search, but you want to find ideas. You want to dig for the meat that is really going to help you start to put your song together. Do that tonight. Do it for half an hour. And peace, love, happy. See you tomorrow.